Hi, my name is Janice and I'm from a group called I'm Known Chef Get Me Out of Here. And today I'm going to be putting some duck legs, duck and thigh legs on the grill. I've never done it before, so I'm not quite sure how it's going to come out. I guess I'm going to do it just like how I normally do it in the oven. And then I'm going to put some ribs on and a couple more bits and pieces. See you later. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of salt on them. Nice pink salt, so it can be nice and crispy. And a little bit of black pepper. That's all I'm going to put on there, because the barbecue sauce, well, it's not barbecue sauce, it's actually a sweet chili sauce that I'm using. That's enough. What do you think? Think that's enough? Alright, then I'm going to pop it on the grill. See you in a bit. Okay, so you always put it down skin side first on the hot side so you can get that nice grill mark. Whoopsie daisy. Alright, and we're going to come back and check on it later. Well, seeing that I'm here, I might as well put the ribs on as well. So I'm just going to lay it across here. Leave it there right on the end. And we'll be back in a bit. See you in a minute. So I have just finished making the sauce, and it's sweet chili sauce mixed with some orange juice. I forgot some other stuff. As you can see, I've been down in that wine. I'm tipsy. But anyway, and I also, I think, I put some more things on the grill. I put some venison there, some sweet corn, a frankfurter. I got some other stuff coming just to nibble out throughout the day. Alright, I will really see you in a bit now. Bye. Out of here. So I've turned over the duck quarters and they look quite nice. So I'm going to just seal it a little bit, and then I'm going to move it over to the cool side and let it cook slowly. So I'll see you in a bit. I've also turned over the ribs, all looking nice. I'll soon put some sauce on there. I'm going to let it cook for a bit longer. Alright, so I'm going to just close it down for a minute and let it continue to cook slowly.
You burn a bit there.
Well, here are the duck legs. Sweet chili grilled duck legs. And there's the sausages, the venison, and the frankfurter for me, and some sweet corn, and some couscous, coriander and lime. I'll soon show you a picture of the ribs. Okay, I just got the ribs out, and there it is. Burnt a little bit, but it's going to be delicious. Anyway guys, thanks for your company. See you later.